Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This next tutorial I'm going to show you, it's a very fun, easy wall decor that you can do just using Dollar Tree and Walmart products. So the first thing I did, I put apart the picture frame that I purchased at Dollar Tree, and I went ahead and put my last name with some stickers I got from Walmart, the letter stickers. And the Be Grateful, that one I got it at Dollar Tree as well, and right now I'll show you what I did with that. The first one, I went ahead with our last name, the Hernandez, and the second one, I decided to go with the year that we got married, which was 2012. And with the Be Grateful wall decor stickers that I purchased from Dollar Tree, the leaves, they were silver, but I went ahead and painted them white with some chalk paint, but it's up to you if you want to leave them like that or use any other. With the third frame, I decided to go with this really cute Dollar Tree wall sticker that I got, and I just cut off the first part of it. I thought it was a really cute design. To give it a more rustic farmhouse look, I went ahead and I painted all of the 4 picture frames with some chalk paint. So I purchased these really cute jars at Walmart. They were only like $2, $2.60 I believe, and they have an image of a bird. And they're super cute. I decided to paint them with some chalk paint, and right now you'll see what I will do next. So on the top of the jars, I decided to go ahead and put some brown jute on it, just to give it a more rustic look, and so they can stand out a little bit more. So with some sandpaper that I purchased at the Dollar Tree, I started to de-stress the jars so the image of the little bird can pop out. So I went ahead and put the LED lights inside the jars. You can find these at the Dollar Tree. After the LED lights are in the jars, I went ahead and put these really cute bouquets I got at the Dollar Tree. With some E6000 glue, I went ahead and put some on the edges of the picture frame so I can be able to glue all 4 of them together. So I let the glue dry for at least 2 hours. You can leave it more, but E6000 works pretty fast, so in 2 hours it should be done. So this will be the finishing look, and if you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Thank you all for watching.